So I do a little piping up on the machine. I'm not really knowing about, well, it's just a little thing I do right and I read it and see how it will work out. You want to get the pipe them accurate, like take them away from the muffler, look like the heat, but probably I gotta wrap some heat thing on it. Yeah, and forget to have some of them heat because you know say aluminum thing, it will develop some heat, like all the heat underneath the bonnet and them thing there, you see it. So I don't even know. I want to use I have a next bonnet with a wood scoop on it. So I not check, say boy, I consider it, but I go give it a little run with this closed down bonnet. Like hide the thing them and nobody don't really know it's tea and them thing there. Right now the piping them I do some little piping right now. Well, this is the previous intercooler where I did have the top mount and things, so kinda take off the top mount. This is the blow off where I have, so I don't know the blow off I go bust the pipe right that's one. I guess I have to use some plastic something like, I don't know if that can manage it, but either I go get a piece well in the loom or I can join on the hose up and or I go get some pipe in where plastic pipe. I'm about to add it and do some plumbing in the bore it and see if I can seal it up. Yeah, lock it up with a cork and with a threading piece, you know. I don't know what I'm going to do some plumbing with it and them like a thing that you see it about. Well, the thing come right underneath the same thing, so I don't really know if the thing match up properly, but I'll give it a little shot. Yeah, that's a pipe up got the intercooler there on. So the intercooler there up and all this one. So I do it. So I don't know. I do my little thing. And I see. Really look on the car front now, you have to see the intercooler there, right? See the intercooler there. See so. I say I can do my thing clean and thing, you know my thing to look chaka and both ways. So I just up in so now. I guess one of the time I don't know if I ever left all them cool. I would have wrapped them pipe so I can get some of them heat out it. And thing is turbocharger, right? That's a hand thing to the turbo. Yeah, so I just my original setup. You know really I try if we're gonna I try if we're gonna other way. I just want use back that setup here and my airflow meter. Wait there. I don't remember when the airflow meter. Oh. Yeah. The airflow meter I have over on the side. Put on still. The other thing I say my mother do. But the airflow meter yes now. I say me get a better hose to run on it because the hose are give me it look too aggressive, you know. Yeah, I want to get something straight and smooth but I can just put right there so I make the airflow meter come on it. Fitting up the airflow meter now, it will give me a little challenge. Airflow meter will give me a little challenge because it will go underneath a little place and so. Well, that's the thing. But here we are going with the other thing now. The battery. Because normally the battery would have worked right there. So don't know so the battery will go. So I don't even know this thing around so now if you see if me can get a little fraction of it go on there. But to me the airflow meter go I forgot stay like in a them little place. Like you know so me have to leave with the airflow meter. Like right now. I'm not sure if it will work. So, like, as I say battery. And there's something more that I have to go in on this little car. The fuse box and thing. Normally, I have to the fuse box work. Yeah, the space of the fuse box work. So, battery and them sitting there, boy, I don't know, but I'll give it a little shot. And see what I want. I don't know, the thing there. I'm going to do my thing still. Yeah, again, as I say, it was a machine and thing. Machine really they are growing and thing right there. I mean, I don't know. Racing, no, I just want to know it's a machine, alright. And it can drive properly. See me, I do it. Yeah. I hit this. Yeah, big bad celica. Sometimes some people not even know what kind of machine and not touch over with it. I am like an old girl, you know. Yeah. So as I say, see there at the signature that yeah, and some people I wonder what kind of engine, but see there the GTE. Big fat Yamaha there on at the back part they can't do see because the pipe them and there's something them there on and so. But as me say, if you look further around you might see one little spot around the side. Show you say around the side the Yamaha there. Yeah, see the Yamaha there. Right around the side, that's how my finger there. Yeah. So it's not a little plating, you know, a bad boy. I tell you, say, it all go on. It all go on. I just see, I run my thing normal and everything, my AC, see my AC and everything. I connect up and thing. So that's them little pipe I left for run, I just want to see as I say, I go and match up the thing. My clamp, everything, clamp up the thing, man. Make me thing look official. And I don't know, I do a little thing too because it's not come Kyle Packer or nothing. And them shit there, so the distributor want this. But see my distributor. So my distributor where I use said speed and my distributor this. Right, so I use it same way to run the Kyle Pack them and think we don't mash up that little match there. Normally 4 independent Kyle me a clap, you know. And this are the little loom up now. This are the little loom up we come off of the igniter. So as you can see, I run my wire them and it connect to me the loom come out of there. The loom come off of the thing there. See there? This come from the bell. See it? So my Kyle Pack, you know, I don't swing it up. See? Swing up my Kyle Pack and so I plug and play. When we're done, yeah, I get my Kyle Pack and my fire and everything. So I just proceed on the big bad engine this. Yeah. Yeah, man. So a few more days and I cut it. I have my normal loom on it still. Because the loom when I run in the car, the loom really are the original original loom from 87. See me I say original wire loom. Seeing where me not take out nothing that I had none. So me I go and run the original loom with it, cause the engine it never come with a loom. Me have the turbo loom for the engine too. With the computer, everything, but I don't use it because there's a difference between the loom and the turbo loom. You see me? Turbo loom there is a 180 kilo normally. See me I say, but see the loom I use originally, this one. When I string up on it, are the original TVs 150 mile 240 from in the 80s. So you know say machine a clap from in the 80s and they still have a vibe right now. It gonna have a good vibe cause me I use up my TVs and I'm sitting them seeing where underneath us. So I connect under just for the engine. TVs I go connect down there. Right where you see me shine a lighter. Yeah, like this one. So the distributor will go in, but I'm not ready to put it in yet. So I'll connect up my cable and my TVs. See my TVs I'm sitting them way up underneath. So see me I do it. So I'll connect them there and I hit that. See me I say look at thing I go loud and nice and you know. Let's run back a next preview on the thing. Anytime the thing up and a kick. See me I say, I don't know racing nothing, you know, that's my nice machine, but I not too I dip on the street and a guy feel like she him see look a machine, him go run up on it and she him say the old girl, you know, can still go. Alright, yeah. Me out here now, you see me? Yeah man, the next I go shot a next piece of it. See me I do then me have it a chopper, see me? Alright, I hate that.